The curve of ceramics is like a necklace. The window drawing is like a veil. Superseding these placeholders is that in both cases, glass, or glaze, covers drawings in clay, combined to make ceramic. There are connections to Gustavo Perez, whose autorretrato inspired me to assemble the artworks in this show, to Eva Hess and Yoshikawa Masamichi, whose artworks leap from floor to wall and back again, to Gerrit Richter, whose programmatic approach is reflected in some of my processes, to W.S. Merwin, from whom I stole the title Raiment, to Marcel Proust, who brought the end in line with the beginning, to Cam Shep, who just before me in this venue drew lines, boundaries, curved like a necklace, to Richard Long, who draws big veils in mud, to Lee Bontaku and to Mary Vernon, who both use a slick drawing surface leading to a kind of glossy palimpsest, and to Charles Wright, to whom I give the last word with this excerpt from the poem Why It's As Pretty as a Picture. From Why It's As Pretty as a Picture. It is a kind of believing without belief that we believe in, this landscape that goes no deeper than the eye and poises like a postcard in front of us, as though we'd settled it there just so, halfway between the mind's eye and the mind, just halfway. And yet we tend to think of it otherwise. Tonight, for instance, the wind and the mountains and Half Moon talk of unfamiliar things in a low, familiar voice, as though their words, however small, were putting the world in place. And they are. They are. The place inside the place inside the place.